So once again, hello guys, and welcome to our next class about Shopify and e-commerce. In today's class, we're gonna talk about how to build a great homepage. The objective of today's class is really to help you out creating a good homepage that'll be attractive for your customers. I'll show you all the widgets that you have to use and the proper way to do it. And after that, I'll show you an example of one of my demo stores that I created and showed to my clients. So you'll see what it's supposed to be looking like. So let's start. So like always, we are on our Shopify. We will start on our Shopify main page right here. Then click on our online store. Then on customize. So from this point, we are supposed to be on this page. It's our main page. So if you remember, we added watch, bags, contact. Here we had a logo. I'm gonna do it right away. And what we're gonna do, well, what we're gonna start, we're gonna delete all the widgets that are here. So that's, well, this section here is all your widgets here. So let me explain. This one is image with the text overview, so if you want to modify it, you just click here. But for the purpose of this class, we're going to delete all of them to start again. That's what I like to do. Okay, so your store should look approximately like this. So there is absolutely nothing. So the way I do it, well, first of all, I'm gonna explain how this section works. So as I said, you can add, you can do a homepage how you want it. So you can add blog posts, you can add the collection lists, feature collections, you can add a lot of things. Let me show you some examples. For example, you want to add a gallery, you can add up a gallery here. Let's add a gallery. So if you want to modify the image, you can go here, explore for free images, or just add your own image. So let me show you some examples. For example, here. So as you can see, we just added an image, and we have other images we can add here. I'm not gonna do it. So you guys got the point. So as I said, there is a lot of sections here, a lot of interesting things. For example, if you want to add videos, if you want to add newsletters, if you have a store, a store somewhere, you can add a map. You can do it really how you want. But for like me, I have I have a way that I'm always doing it, and I'll show you this way. But once again, that's my way of doing it. If you want to change it, it's up to you. After that, you'll learn the basics. So the first thing that I like to put, here is a slideshow. So we start with a slideshow. This one here. So let me show you what it looks like. So we're gonna put on, once again, it's just for example purpose. So let's add images. So yeah, as you can see, your slideshow right now has two images. So we have image 1, image 2. After that, if you want to modify the text on your image, very simple. You click on your image, then you simply come down here, and you can modify your text. So here, heading, you can say product 1, and for example, talk about the product 1. Then what's also cool is that you can add buttons. So for example, you want to add here at this place, you want to add a link to your product. It's gonna be here. So for example, we want to add a link to our product 1, and we're gonna call it product 1. So as you can see, people will be able to click on our product 1 just here. So you have your link here. That's what is really, that's what's really cool about this feature. So as I said, the first thing that you're gonna add is your slideshow. So the second thing is a featured collection, just like this. So we're gonna click on add. So what are your featured collection? What is the featured collection? Featured collection, very simple. It's one of your collections. For example, you sell watches. Well, you will have, let's say, watch collection 1, watch collection 2, watch collection 3, watch collection 4. Your featured collection will be the collection that you want to put in front of your customers. It's like your demo collection. And in my well, for me, it's always like the product that I want to sell. Like my product on sale now, it's gonna be my featured collection. Here you will have all your products. So as you can see, the way I place it, we can place 3 by 2 or 4 by 1. So one row, how you call it? One row and 4 products. So as you can see, 4 products. I place it this way or 3 by 2. But usually I place 4 here because I have 2 featured collection. I have featured collection 1 here, then I add another featured collection. So we look again for featured collection. Here we go. You also, why I do 4 by 1 is because I don't want to have too much products on the first page. If I do, for example, 3 by 2, I will have too much products if I have 2 featured collection. But in this case, I have 4 products of first collection, 4 products of the second collection, and those products will be like my 4 best products, the products that I really want to sell for my 2 collections that I really want to present to my customers. For example, I sell once again watches. If I want to sell, for example, watch collection 1, watch collection 2, I'll present them here. And the rest of my watch collections will be like, for example, here. I'll have watches and it will be collection 1, collection 2, collection 3, 4, 5. After that, I add another slideshow. So you understand the principle of this one. So it works the same way as this one here. So you add 2 images and you add your buttons. Oops. Then, once again, another collection. Always 4 by 1. And finally, the last thing will be our newsletter. So we go here and we click on newsletter. So we gonna delete this one here first. Our newsletter. Go on our footer. Delete this one. So it's supposed to look something like this. So as I said, that's the way that I create my homepage. Let me show you what it looks like on one of my demo stores. So as I explained, first of all, we have our featured collection. We have our slideshow here. So slideshow one, picture 1, picture 2. So on this store, I sell drones and watches and other electronical products. So for example, I have drones here. So I have my drone image. I can click on drones. It will get me on the drone page. Same thing, for example, if I want watches, I can choose watch or smartwatch. The second thing, as I explained, will be featured collection. So that's our first feature collection. It's smartwatches. So as you can see, it's all here. Then second feature collection, drones, as you can see. Then second slideshow, just here. Here I have only one product, but you can add more than one product. After that, another feature collection. This one's named bestseller. And last feature collection. This one is 3x2, but once again, it's supposed to be 4x1 like this one. It's just for a demo purpose to show customers that you can create 4x1 and 3x2 also. So as I explained, it's my way of work. So you have the header, then slideshow, feature collection, slideshow once again. Then you have normally one feature collection, but you can add two. And finally, the newsletter. For me, it always worked. I created the majority of my stores based on this concept. You can also add videos if you have videos. For example, instead of creating the second, usually it's the first one. Instead of putting the first feature slideshow, you can put a video if you have a video for your product. If not, it's not a big deal. As I said, you can create a slideshow and just add your products. And very important, at the end here, having your newsletter. Also, you can add social media things, little things here. But once again, it's when you have your social media already set. Let me show you how this works. So for your social media, it's all gonna be here. So if you have any social media that you want to add, for example, you have a Twitter link, a Facebook link, a Google link, YouTube link, it's all gonna be somewhere in the footer. And yeah, so it's, as I said, as I explained, very, very simple. So let me summarize from the beginning. You go on your first page, then you create your first slideshow. When you created your slideshow, you go on your first image. I suggest you to put on those buttons. So you have your first button label. For example, me here, I have watches and link to watches. The second image, same thing. For this one here, I have, let me just see, I have drones. So drones, it's gonna bring me to drone and phone gadgets. So I have my image, I have my links that are created. Then after that, feature collection. So the first two collections that I really want to sell on my website, that like those ones are my best collections or the collections that I really want to sell. When those ones are created, you have your second slideshow. So it's supposed to be right here, right? On this one, I only have one image, but you can put two of them, so two products. Also, don't forget to put on your links, as I explained. Very simple to put on your links. It's gonna be on the button label. So if I show you on our store, to create a button, as I explained, very simple. You go here, and it's simply this one. So you put on your button here. You name it, for example, product 1, and your link will be here. After that, one feature collection. I suggest you to have one, but on this store I have two. Once again, this store is only for demo. I don't sell those products. It's just for demo to present to my customers and my students. So I suggest one, but you can have two. And finally, don't forget your newsletter. Also, social media, very important. So all your social media, if you have Facebook, Google, Twitter, Pinterest, or whatever, it will all appear here on this place. So I hope you guys understand everything, and right now you know how to create your first homepage. So the next class that we're gonna see will be about choosing the right niche. So from the next class, we'll choosing the right product for you you will understand how to choose the right product and what exactly you will sell on your website. Your e-commerce. So enjoy, guys, and see you in the next class.